Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook video. We'll have a look at the price action from yesterday, see which way the market decided it was going to go, and see what we can find from here. But firstly, as usual, we'll jump over onto the economic calendar here. So pretty cruisy day for today on the economic calendar. Don't have any news really until Thursday. So all clear runnings from here. Well, although remember we did say Thursday and Friday could cause a little bit of extra volatility there. So just be careful if you're going to trade those days. But today we should be good to go. So the dollar yesterday, we can see here on yesterday's price action, obviously London open, it tanked down, taking out Asia lows, taking out these liquidity lows here, and then retesting this bigger line here that I've got, which is actually that previous weekly high that we discussed yesterday. Found support off that previous weekly high, and then obviously then started to accelerate and head higher. So basically what we have now is an extension higher on the 15-minute, and we are acting within this range here. So if we jump out on the 4-hour here and have a bit of a look, we might be able to see this 4-hour range that we are currently working in. So you can see here that we have this 4-hour range. We've got come down, retested that higher time frame weekly high as discussed there. You can see there that high came down, retested it, and then pushed up higher again. So basically what we've done with that 4-hour time there is we've left a little bit of imbalance in here. That may need to come back and be refilled. So basically what I would be looking for is a possible pullback down in and around this area to go long from. We may even come back down to this extended wick in here before going long. So those are two areas that I would be looking for a possible long from. Definitely do not want to be taking a long from way up here, as the market is currently overextended here on the 15-minute. Pushing up. So basically looking for a possible pull down into either one of those areas before going long. Euro USD. So Euro USD, same thing. Yesterday we were looking for it to either go short or long. We saw it pull down out of the range, pushed back up, had a minor 15-minute rejection there off the midline, but then ultimately pushed up through there, taking obviously liquidity highs off the Asia and off this other high here, pushing up higher, and then found that rejection and obviously came all the way back down. So what we're now looking at here is we've got obviously we can jump out on the 4-hour here, have a bit of a look at that price action. We can see we have some market imbalance here. Got some market imbalance there. And yeah, again, what we could be looking for is a pull back up. That would be around that 50%. Oh, God. That would be up and around that 50% area there. So anywhere up into this area, we could see come up, fill some of that imbalance, and then look at going short from there. Again, also, as discussed, if we jump down on the 15-minute, we'll probably be able to identify this range a little bit better. In here, this last impulse up here that obviously took the London highs. We can see that impulse there, taking out the London high there, and then obviously dropping from there. So those would be my two areas that I would be looking to short euro from today if we get offered those prices. Would be here, see a lower time frame and drop, or a push higher, lower time frame and drop. So that's basically what I'd be expecting from euro. GBP, obviously we're expecting it to drop based on its structure yesterday, and that's exactly what we got. We didn't actually come back up and retest this area, which would have been perfect, but we did get that drop down, pulled back up, didn't really pull back up into the range. We would have loved to have seen a retest up and around this area, but we did, if we look here on the 15-minute, actually come back in perfectly and filled in this imbalance area left by that impulse out of the end of the Asian range, that first candle out of the end of the Asian range, pulled back up into that imbalance, filled it perfectly, and then proceeded to drop from there, work that area out and drop. So really good there. So basically we had fairly balanced price action coming down here, not too many, no areas there of clear and balance. So basically just looking again for a continuation here at the moment. Are we going to see, let's have a look at our 4 hour really quickly. So our 4 hour, it's quite actually a big drop here. We haven't really had any pullbacks as such. So we've had a pull down, a pull back up, we've pulled down, we've sort of consolidated a bit in here and then dropped again. Not many clear areas there. We do have a 4 hour imbalance up here. Probably seems unlikely that we'll pull all the way back up there. I think what we're going to be looking for is probably just maybe a small pullback, jump in on the 15-minute here, look for areas there we see a liquidity break or something like that, and look to trade lower from there. May even pull up into areas like this big impulse here, this sell-off here. We haven't really come back and worked that area out, so could see a pullback up in working this area out a bit and then going lower from there. But again, we need to just keep aligned with the market until the market tells us differently. So basically 4 hour is dropping like a stone in water. So is the 15-minute. So basically, if we get that pullback, we need to be looking for areas that we can see those lower time frame changes and looking to go short. Righto, guys, thank you very much for jumping on today. Really appreciate your supports, and we'll be back again tomorrow for another Daily Market Outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.